What's going on, YouTube? Guys, I cannot do a lot of force. Let me see if I can show you guys my face. But how you guys been doing? I am in so much pain right now. I look crazy. This is my second day of my surgery. You can tell by my voice that I cannot even speak correctly. But this is my second day of my surgery, and I want to show you guys what I look like right now. So these are the waist trainers that I have on, and I need to keep this till next week, Tuesday. Right now my stomach is a little swollen. You guys obviously know what I got done because of my extra skin that I had underneath my abdominal, which underneath my stomach I had extra skin. So I was not planning on living with that the rest of my life. So I took the decision to actually get a surgery because I worked my ass for 4 years. So I'm not trying to do a lot of force. And I will show you guys what I was gonna tell you guys. I'm gonna show you guys how I look now. Well, I have two drains by the side. These are actually, blood is being released from actually where they actually cut me. I think they cut me underneath here. And they actually created a new belly button. So right now my belly button is swollen, my stomach it is, and I cannot do a lot of force. I have to walk like this, which is painful because I'm also creating pain in my lower back. But anyways, guys, I just want to show you guys how I look right now. I'm actually okay. This is second day of surgery. I wanted to put up a video on give you guys detail of the recovery. So from now on, I'm gonna be trying to post every day, like how my body is gonna be looking like a few days, because next week on Tuesday they're actually gonna take this off. So obviously I'm gonna show you guys how my body look. So these two drains, I have to like take out these these liquid that is being released from the cut that they did inside me. So I don't know, I think it's nasty, but I'm gonna just do it to show you guys. They want me to do it and put it in a cup. So basically they want me to put it in a cup and measure how much blood is being released from my body. The less blood means that that I'm actually covering, I'm actually healing up. So this is actually like 15 millimeters. So this less. Yesterday was 20 millimeters. So the left one is actually around 15. This one barely has. So I need to drain these out. Make sure that I'm doing everything what the doctor asked me to. Very important to listen to the doctors if you're trying to recover. And this one is 5 millimeters. So let me see if I can show you guys in the mirror. Hopefully I'll be okay. I know I'm gonna be okay, but I want to show you guys how I'm looking right now. Actually, I have everything. Waist trainer, my stomach look all big because it's swollen, but this is how I'm looking, guys, with these two drains here where blood is being released. You can tell by this cord and the other cord as well. But guys, I want you guys to stay tuned because I will be releasing my recovery on my surgery, and I want you guys to know like how my body transforming from my before and after. And I still haven't posted my my loose skin on social media because I'm waiting for the right amount of time. I don't want to just post it up. I actually want to post it up when I'm shirtless, when they take off this waist trainer, because I have this waist trainer on. So once they take this waist trainer on, it's gonna be lit. I will be showing you guys before and after, but I just wanted to give you guys an update of what I'm dealing with the 2 drains on my side, that bloods are being released, and also that I'm walking like an old guy. But you know, it's gonna take time. I can't work out for 3 months. I can't play basketball, but it is, you know, I worked my ass for 4 years and I deserve to get the surgery. I do not want to be the rest of my life handling with loose skin underneath my stomach. Like, I want to be able to walk in the beach without any problem. I mean, I love myself, but you know, you gotta take care of your health. You know, if you work hard, get what you need, man. But guys, if you guys could actually click that like button below, I'm in so much pain. I barely could talk. I'm out of breath because I'm walking, barely could walk. So make sure you click that like button, subscribe. I'll be posting daily. I just recently bought a microphone for my camera, so I'm trying to give you guys the best content ever and give you guys every update of my body, my transformation. And I'm working on a transformation video that will be posted on my YouTube channel. It's gonna go from fat to skinny, loose skin, and then after loose skin, you guys know how, you know, after surgery, after my recovery, I'm gonna work my ass off hard. But guys, make sure you click that like button, subscribe, make sure you share my transformation to everyone. And if you guys love my page, go ahead and share, make sure you subscribe. And guys, stay tuned to my body, to my page. I want to show you guys how my body is transforming, because there's people asking me so much questions, but I still don't have everything on, you know, I don't have everything, I don't have the whole answer because I'm still on the process of healing. But guys, promise you that you guys are gonna get that answer. So make sure you go ahead and do that, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Make sure you click that like button and subscribe.